Good morning, students. Today our chapter is patterns. Okay, what is pattern? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in particular order or repeated over and over again. See here example. See, in this first row, we can see A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So this sequence is in the pattern A, B, A, B. See, A is repeating after B again and B after A. A, B, A, B. Now second one, second row A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B. So the pattern is A, A, B. Now we will see more examples. Look at the patterns below. Which one is like A, B, A, B? Which one is like A, A, B, A, A, B? And which one is like A, B, C, A, B, C? See the first one. We can see here red square, yellow diamond, red square, yellow diamond, red square, yellow diamond, red square, yellow diamond. If we consider red square as A and yellow diamond as B, so this is in the pattern A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, answer will be A, B, A, B. See the next example. You can see green triangle and purple triangle. If we consider green triangle as A and purple triangle as B, then A, B, A, B. So the pattern will be A, B, A, B. Now next one, you can see pink flower, green leaf. Pink flower, green leaf. If we consider flower as A and leaf as B, then the pattern will be A, B, A, B, A, B. It will continue. So answer is A, B, A, B. Now next one, you can see the two types of flowers. If we consider this flower as A and this one as B, so what is the pattern? A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Answer is A, B, A, B. Now next one, you can see green flower, red flower and yellow dots. Green flower, red flower and yellow dots. So if we consider this one as A, B and C, what will be the pattern? A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So answer is A, B, C, A, B, C. Now next one, here are pictures of animals. First elephant, camel, giraffe. Elephant, camel, giraffe. If we consider elephant as A, camel as B and giraffe as C, then the pattern is A, B, C, A, B, C. Answer is A, B, C, A, B, C. Now, in the boxes below, make a pattern of your own like AAB, AAB. You have to make of your own pattern. I have taken here square and a circle. Square I am considering as A and circle as B. So, 2 square, 1 circle AAB, 2 square, 1 circle AAB, 2 square, 1 circle AAB. You can take your own design. You can take flowers, you can take write numbers or alphabets in the pattern AAB. Now, in the patterns given below, draw the pictures which follows. Observe the picture. Here 3 stars are here, then 1 hashtag, 3 stars, 1 hashtag, 3 stars, 1 hashtag. So, the next will be 3 star and 1 hashtag. Again 3 stars, 2 hashtag, 3 star, 2 hashtag, 3 star, 2 hashtag. Then the pattern will continue as 3 stars, 2 hashtags. Now Spot the pattern and fill the empty boxes. See here, observe this one. First arrow is pointing up, then right, then down, then left. Up, right. So next will be down and then left. Then again repeating up, right. Understood? See here. Up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left, up, right. Now see the leaves, direction of leaves. Leaf is pointing up, right, down, left. So the next leaf will be up, right, down, left, up. Understood? Now see here the timings in the clock. Here it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Then in this clock it will show 6 o'clock, then 7 o'clock, then 8 o'clock. Okay. Now see here A, B, B, C, C. Now see the picture carefully. A is the mirror image of this. B, mirror image of B. C, mirror image of C. So here it will come D and mirror image of D. Now see here next one. You can see a flower with 3 petals. 1, 2, 3. Next will be 4 petals. Then 5 petals. So next one will be 6 petals. Draw here 6 petals flower. 7 and then 8. Now students, we did with the help of pictures. Now we will do in numbers. Now see here 1 is given. 1 into 1 1. 2 into 2 4. 3 into 3 9. So next will come 4. So 4 into 4 equals to 16. And 5 into 5 equals to 25. 6 into 6 equals to 36. 7 into 7 equals to 49. 8 into 8 equals to 64. Now see here 5, 10, 15. See here in what pattern it is repeating? Yes, it is a multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15. Then it will come 20, 25, 30 is already given. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Multiple of 5. Now see here 2, 9, 16. What pattern is here? Yes, if we add 7 in 2, we will get 9. And then again 7 in 9, we will get 16. So we have to add 7. Keep on adding 7. 16 plus 7 equals to 23. 23 plus 7 equals to 30. 30 plus 7, 37. Plus 7, 44. Then 51, 58, 65 and 72. Now in the pattern given below, each figure has been given a number. See the number, triangle is given 1, circle is given 2, again triangle is given 3, circle is given 4, triangle is given 5, circle is given 6. So what will come in 7? We can see odd numbers, triangle is repeating. So 7 is odd number, here will come triangle. And even number circles, so 8 will be circle, 9 will be triangle because 9 is a odd number. Now in which pattern above at which serial numbers are triangles? Triangles you can see in odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So write here 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. At which serial numbers are the circles? Circles are in even numbers. So write here 2, 4, 6, 8. Now the third figure is a triangle. Sixth figure is a circle. The eighth figure will be, yes, circle because 8 is a even number. The 11th will be a triangle because 11 is odd number. The 15 will be a triangle because 15 is an odd number. 12 will be circle because 12 is a even number. And 25th will be a triangle because 25 is a odd number. In the sequence of the figures in the table below, draw the next figure and write the number of the marbles. Now serial number of the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. Arrangement of the marbles, you can see here 1 marble, then 3, then 5, and then 7. Number of marbles 1, 3, 5, 7. Now see here carefully how it is increasing. It is increasing by 2. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. So next will be 7 plus 2 9. Draw here 9 marbles, and then 9 plus 2 11. Draw here 11 marbles. Now there are 5 marbles in the third figure. There are 7 marbles in the fourth figure. Can you tell how many marbles will be there in seventh figure without drawing it? Write down your answer. Now draw the figure and check your answer. How many marbles will be there in the 10th figure? First, we have to find out how many marbles will be there in the 7th figure. Up to 6 here is given 7. 7 means 11 plus 2, 13. So, how many marbles in the 7th figure? 13. And how many how many marbles in the 10th figure? We will keep on adding plus 2 up to 10th figure. It will come 19. Okay. Now Tony, hey, look what I found in the calendar. In this calendar, another pattern. If we add these 3 numbers in a row, we get 27. And add some of these numbers in the middle column is 27 too. So no, these 3 numbers crosswise also add to 27. Salma, look at these 3 numbers in the 3 rows in the box on the left in it. The 3 numbers in the middle column, those in the middle row, and the cross ones are add up to the same number. Now this is a calendar. You can find out of pattern. I have find out some of them. You can find more. You can see here 7, 14, 21, 28. Here pattern is repeating by the addition of 7. Here 2, 8, 14, 20, 26. Pattern is adding 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. And here is one more pattern 4, 10, 16, 20, 16, 22, 28. So you can find more patterns also. Observe the patterns in the arrangements of the tiles shown below. Tiles have been arranged in a particular manner. Note that there is no empty space between any two tiles. In other words, no part of the ground is left uncovered. See here few designs of the tiles. You can see in repeated manner a pattern is there. Okay, dark and light colors. You can see the pattern. This one is vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Okay, you can see a certain patterns in all these tiles. Observe the patterns below which have been made using the tiles of only one kind. Try to make another pattern using the same tiles. Now you can see here this one diamond shape with half green and half white, here half white and half orange. You can make different designs from it by joining. Okay, you can try this in your copy. Observe the patterns carefully, match the tiles of the patterns they have make. Now see here one pattern. Which pattern it is? Yes, this one. So match the column from here to here. Now second one, you can see this one. How many wings? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fan wings? 4. So this one. Yes. So draw a line, match the column, match the tiles. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 1. So here it is. So match it with this. Now here triangles. Only this one is left. So match it with. Okay. So hope students you have understood the chapter patterns. Please like, subscribe and comment in my channel. Thank you for watching my video.